And they're on the way. Charlie's World draws for the early, moving up Amazing Act. Then on the outside, Evita, followed by Moneyman Pegasus. And trading the group is Star of Manel. Past the last 800, we have entry number 6, and that's Evita takes command over Amazing Act. Pegasus running in third. Star of Manel now in fourth and moving a party outside. Charlie's World second last, and Moneyman now running at the tail of the field as they turn to the last 450. Amazing Act over Evita on the outside. Star of Manel joining them as they turn for home. Amazing Act leading the field. Star of Manel is on the outside. Evita is in between runners. We have Star of Manel over Evita in second, and Amazing Act Pegasus with the last 50 meters. Star of Manel. Second Evita, Pegasus, Amazing Act, Charlie's World, and Moneyman.